It's time. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all already know. Brown coat gang in the building. Without the brown coat laying over there on wife Denali. But y'all already know, man, we tuning in for another video. And as you can see by the title, it is time. It's time, finally, it's time. Another one. I'm hitting them in the head. I'm hitting them in the head, boy. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. I'm telling you, boy, it about to go down. Let me, boy, I ain't uncovered you in a long time. Matter of fact, let me uncover you fully, man. I ain't undressed you in a long time. Let me let my boy get some. Let me let my youngin get some sunlight. This is my youngin right here. Let me let him get some sunlight. Let me let the youngin get some sunlight right quick. Let's get this off of you. Let's get this off of you. Get this off of you. What? Get that thing. Hey, boy. It going down, boy. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. It about to go down, y'all. But y'all see it, man, after that proper introduction. This is a check-in video. It's about to go down. Kevin Hart voice. Man, hey, folk man asking. Anyway, folk man asking. It's going down. Ooh, look at these seats. Clean, boy. Hey. These seats about to get some action. They about to get some action, boy. I got somebody to do my interior. I know who I'm gonna do it. Who gonna do it, boy? All this. Y'all take a good look at this. Probably the middle of the year, I'm going in surgery. Get the interior done. But not right now. It's action time right now. We ain't still no interior. There we go. Look at them. Hood don't even want to pop like that, ain't. We ain't still no interior right now. But it's time. It's time, man. The engine is, boy. I'm gonna put it like this. This engine, I mean not this engine. This car is about to be gone. I wasn't even gonna say nothing. But the car about to be gone. Y'all see, look what's gone. I ain't even record that. Camaro gone. Y'all know what's up with Camaro, but let me keep walking back. I ain't even record that. Look what's gone. Yeah. We're making moves. So everything don't get recorded. It'll be back this week. It'll be back. Found something else. I found something else wrong with the Cutlass. It wasn't nothing major at all, but when I say it'll make a difference, a huge difference in power. Simple, but gonna make a huge difference in power. It'll be back. That's all I can say. It'll be back from the doctor. The doctor it went to he is pronto. It's a doctor that y'all don't know about. When I made that secret move and got the Camaro fixed and then nobody know. But it'll be back. But anyway, this about Dolo. The engine is ready to go. That's all I can say. The engine is ready to go, buddy. Hey, so all this, y'all see, some people probably just tune into the channel. I got new subscribers over here that never saw my J-Mag 2004 ride channel. That didn't follow this build. It's a lot of people on Instagram. When I share this car on Instagram, people don't know. So this engine bay is about to be filled again. Y'all see that? That Showtime transmission rebuild. Man, I just noticed my screen cracked on here too, guys, on my camera. But anyway, let me get in here. Showtime transmission rebuilds. TH400. Y'all saw what happened to the other one. I got a new converter. I sold the old converter. I got a billet converter going in it. Big T Performance converters. If you want the link to these people, they in the description, man. The Big T Performance converter is in my Camaro too. That man is the truth. So you want to see a converter get down on big rims. You want a right converter for big wheels. Not just getting some off the shelf stuff. You hit up my guy. Hit up my guy Dave. But y'all about to see how I get down. One of them billet units. Not them stamped steel. Billet. That's what's going in there. All that nitrous stuff. Everything. We finna be back hooked up. We finna be back hooked up. Y'all see we got the... Man. Boy, I ain't thinking about this. I should have pumped the gas out of here. Then evaporated. Yep. It evaporated. One thing about racing gas, it will evaporate or something happened to it, disappear something, but it's gone. It ain't going in there. But quick rundown of this car for the new people. Quick rundown before y'all get the heartbeat call. I'm not popping no hood. I already told people what it is. I'm not popping no hood right now. When it comes, y'all just gonna see a monster. That's all it's about to be, a monster. Still true street car, pump gas engine, but a monster. But anyway, y'all already know. I can't tell the cubic inch. But anyway, we got the braided transmission lines. TH400 with not even 20 miles on it. Because I demolished my 350, my Showtime transmission rebuild 350. I demolished it. We got the TH400, full manual valve body. Upgraded everything in it for some steam. It should hold what I'm finna put in front of it. It should, but if not, we'll go back in it, me and DJ. The Riley dual electric fans, the best of the best. They move some air. We got the I might change this. I might go to a Griffin. This ain't a Griffin. This was a budget build oriented build at first. So this come off of Amazon. A vacuum canister, cause I'm definitely gonna need this with the camshaft that's in the engine now. I got to have this. Ain't no option. Like, I got to have this. So vacuum canister, dedicated fuel system. That's what this is. 1 gallon fuel cell. This is for nitrous only. That way I can run pump gas on my engine, and then if I want to spray it without having to drain the tank, you put your racing gas in here. I got a dedicated fuel pump mounted up here. All this work done by Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. The fuel system for the nitrous, the plumbing, all of that stuff, and the nitrous system, which I see the plate over there dangling. The plate got one stage of nitrous. How much I'm gonna run, I ain't gonna say right now. It ain't gonna be no little baby shot no more. But we got the 2 regulators, one for the engine, one for the nitrous system. Regular battery, ain't nothing special about battery. I ain't got no music in here. Except we got the deck. I ain't got the deck cut in this car yet. I gotta get the deck cut. We're going to get that 4 6x9s. I don't really care about beat like that like I used to back in the day. I just like good interior speakers, so all that's getting done. 2013 Impala seats. I get that question a lot, especially when I post it on Instagram. 2013 Impala interior, also fitted by Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. People, seats in there, they bolted down. I'm going back to get the power hooked up so electric seats and all that stuff work. We got a Hearst Pro ratchet shifter. I like it, but I don't like it. Well, I'm gonna need it now. It ain't overkill no more. We got the regular gauges. All that stuff gonna be changed. Digital dash going to here. V8 checks. Digital dash. I'll be shopping with my little bro, Steve Davis. Get at him. Steve Davis on YouTube. Y'all get at him. He can get them. Dakota Digital. He a dealer. All that. My switches for my nitrous, purge, all that. Bleed the line. My tack. Man, the whole 9. what's been done to the car. I'm about to redo everything. Y'all know I had did all the brakes and stuff, but that stuff done rusted. So we're gonna change. You can see all the brakes new though. All the brake system, every component, the front, the caliper, the rotors, the studs, everything new. 9C1 wheels. I found them at LKQ. Giving people a quick rundown. Quick rundown, man. I gotta do this. It's new subscribers. Some people don't go through your back catalog and look at your videos. Got the nitrous bottle mounted in the trunk. No nitrous in it, cause some of them hot days it probably been done went boom. But we about to take all this out, all this carpet. The car about to be nice. I'm about to go in on it. I'm about to go all the way in on this car. But this is an update video. Giving y'all a quick rundown. Y'all know we got 3-way adjustable shocks on all 4 corners, back and the front. People always asking about the stance. It's just adjustable shocks and factory Capri springs, but I forgot the load rate on the springs, cause they sell 2 different ones. I got to go back and look at the part number. The front just got truck springs in it. That's all it is. Truck springs in the front, and you got factory Capri springs in the back. I will be going out. Oh, let me show y'all this. I will be getting this thing tubbed for the 6s car. What's the point of having racing shocks if they ain't gonna perform like they should? Why you gonna put racing shocks on the car? This real life. Why put racing shocks on the car when you just gonna raise it up? I gotta turn the camera around, y'all. Hey, if you just gonna raise a car up and put performance shocks on there, it defeats the purpose. They ain't gonna work like they should. That's free game. There's free game, but it's true facts. Shocks are made to compress and rebound. So if you're gonna lift the car up, it kind of take away from the shock. But they'll work better than the factory. But anyway, I'm going over. Lawless gonna do this too. Now, the tub and notch. People always talking about a frame notch. I'm gonna get a frame notch to fit the wider wheel, but to tub or tuck, you got to go up in here. So that back seat gonna be coming out, and it's gonna be cut in the trunk right here. The trunk pan gonna be cut. Like I said, Jesse gonna take care of it over at Lawless. This stuff got to be fabricated. So that's gonna be cut. It's gonna be cut. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. So it's gonna be a nice, smooth factory feeling ride. But it gonna hide the 26. Y'all know it was tucking anyway. But it can ride better. So we're gonna get that done. But yeah, man, the engine. This car about to leave. I'm just gonna say that. This car is about to leave. This is an update video car. I was originally gonna just pop up and y'all gonna see the car gone. But man, y'all be coming over here every day. The ones that come every day and stay in the loop with me, I got to tell y'all everything. So some people ain't gonna be in the loop. Some people ain't gonna see the car until it just come back and it got oil pressure, which gonna be very soon. Very, very soon. Quick, real quick like. So we about to have Dolo back. Dolo about to be running. Cutlass gone, and we'll be back within the next 2 days. And I'm about to check on the Camaro today. So I'm knocking them down, man. I'm knocking them down. I told y'all I'm gonna have everything ready by March. This one will officially be ready by March. I'm gonna go buy me another set of wheels, some cheap 26s for now. I don't want to put no name brand wheels on the car cause the car not all the way clean right now. It's budget look. Definitely not budget drivetrain no more. I'm about to change the shocks too, but definitely not budget drivetrain. But it's budget look, so I'm keeping true to the budget look. I'm gonna buy some more 6s since it's about to have oil pressure, and I'm about to be driving it and all of that dyno, all that good stuff. So yeah, we about to go in. We about to go in, man. Meats, I told y'all I've been going back and forth about it. I am too. I am, but I will be getting this car running at least. So even if I do choose to get rid of it or however I do, it'll be running. It'll be a running car. But by March I plan on getting all 4 of them done. But this is an update. I gave y'all a quick rundown. Told y'all stuff that's about to be changed. I'm probably gonna touch up with paint right there. Well, where it's going to be touched up with paint. This gonna get done quick. It's gonna happen real fast. And that's why I'm just letting y'all know it's about to be gone, cause I'm not filming it. I'm not popping no hood. I'm not showing nothing right now. People should have bought the car. Should have bought the car. So now I'm about to do what I do. This gonna be right under the Camaro. Believe it or not. Right under the Camaro. Big meats first. Cutlass in line, neck. Then Dolo. And then Camaro, the head honcho. Cause Camaro a monster. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some ride racks in this too, on wheels, cause it's gonna throw people off. They ain't gonna be expecting the car to pull like it's gonna pull. And yeah, it's gonna pull like a train. It's gonna pull like a train, I tell you that. I tell you that, but it's gonna be way over 500 horses too. So yeah, we about to ride. Pump, gas, engine. So this is my update. Beautiful day. So I had to give y'all the update call. When y'all see Dolo not here, then you know what's happening. And when you see Dolo back, cause I'm not gonna record where it's at, none of that. But when you see when Dolo come back, when it's sitting right back in this spot, just know it got oil pressure. So remember that. When y'all see it gone away from this spot, you know what's going on. When you see it come back, cause I'm gonna park it right here. When you see the next video and it's parked right here again, just know it got oil pressure and you'll be hearing it. So yeah, that's it. That's it. Talking video, update, keep y'all in the loop. Cutlass will be back. Cutlass left today. Today actually, like I said, Cutlass will be back. I ain't saying where it's at, where it's going, but it's gonna be some quick work. I already got the report, it's be some quick work. So I appreciate y'all, and the Cutlass gonna have more power. It's going down. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. We about to be hitting the dyno with the Cutlass when it come back, cause it's gonna make some more power. It's getting better and better. And we're gonna hit the Cutlass, hit the dyno with the Cutlass. We're still gonna hit the dyno with John Jones. Go back to the original dyno with dynoed on. And I guess I might show. I'm gonna show what it make, but I ain't gonna show what it fully make. I'm gonna give y'all that. I owe y'all that at least. I'm gonna show y'all what it make on some little boost, but I'm not gonna show y'all what it make when it's turned up. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate everybody for tuning in every day, man. It's about to be real live and lit over here. We probably be hitting the track maybe this week. Might be hitting the track this week with John Jones. It should be getting fired back up. So we should be hitting the track. I got about 2 or 3 epic ride reactions already scheduled for that car. Y'all gonna wanna see these. But yeah, that's it. I appreciate everybody tuning in every day. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.